This is a video in order to show you how to upload a video to your YouTube channel and how to make it listed with anyone with the link can view the video on your YouTube. So first step is to log in into your YouTube account. That's simply by using your Gmail or your email address. So you first open your internet browser and then you type in YouTube. If you're not signed in, then here on the right it will be showing us sign in. So how to sign in? You can either do that by the Gmail that you have created before or with your UoD email. So I have my UoD email address, so that's UoD, or you can simply say by Gmail, but so you should have a Gmail or an UoD email address, as most of our teachers they have UoD email address, and most of the students they have Gmail to have access to Moodle. So you click on next. Here it is important to remember this is the password of your Gmail, your UoD email address, not your password of Moodle account. This is really important. So I type in the password of my UoD email address of my Gmail. So and then next. When I click on that, I'm now logged in into my YouTube channel, and as you can see now, this is no more sign in, but this is my name and this is my channel. So in order to upload a video, you click on this one, create this video with a plus icon of white color. You click on that one and then upload video. Then you get another window, some other options. You get to select the files you want to upload. You can either simply minimize the window, the page, and then drag the file, or you can select files. So I will click on select files to get into my laptop and then upload files. So now I'm now in my laptop. As you can see here, I have the options: application, desktop, download. Where's my video? My video is on the desktop. Which one? This one. So I enter that one, and now this video will be uploaded into my YouTube channel. As you can see now, this is being uploaded 49%, 60%. So what I can do here, so now I have 3 steps to upload my video and to make that video to be seen by anyone who has the link. So now I can give a title to my video, here the title, and then now you can write a description for the viewers, for your students. This is only an introduction and will be followed by some other lectures. So now this is a description. What you have to do next is that you click on the first we have the details. Now we want to go to video elements. We have to click on next here, bottom there on the right side. So now, and then you go again next. Now we are video elements, next again. So visibility, this is really important. This is the most important part actually. Save or publish. So how to make it the video to be accessed by only those who have the link. So to do that, you have to click on unlisted. Anyone with the video link can see your video. So that means anyone with the link can see the video. Others who do not have the link, and even if they visit your YouTube channel, they cannot see the video because they do not have access to the link. So by doing this, you get to post the video and give the link to anyone you want to see your video. So if you are done with that, you can say save video. You can, before doing that, you can here, as you can see, video link. You click on this one, copy video link. When you click on that one, you have the link of the copy of the video copied to your clipboard, and then click on save. When you save that video, that's it, the video is being saved. Again, you can copy the link of the video here as well. So now the link of the video is being copied. I've uploaded my video. I open another window of the browser and then go to my Moodle account, Moodle UoD. As you can see, UoD Moodle University of Duke. So I click on that one to log into my account and then share the link with my students. So anyone who has the link can see the video, can view the video. So now I log into my Moodle account and open my lecture where I want to upload the video. So here again I will go to see my topics. I can do it anywhere, I can put it anywhere. So first I turn editing on, and then I go to topic 4. I add it there. I will add it as a URL so that students click on the URL and then get directly to the video on the YouTube. So now add an activity or resource, and then add URL, and then click on add. Doing that, so here the name is obligatory. So intro to critical thinking, for example. And then the important thing is that you get to content external URL. So right click on here, and then paste, because we have copied the link to the clipboard. So paste. Now this is the link to the YouTube, to the video for students. This is the link of the video that I've converted my PowerPoint into a video format, MP4. So now I'm done with that. Save and return to course. Now I'm back to my course, and now if I turn the editing on, students simply, topic 4, simply click on that link and then it will direct them to YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel, this is the video uploaded, and it will be only seen by those who have the link. So that means your students.